Most people are spending hundreds on weight loss drugs like Ozempic. And right now, there is something going viral online that is less than 50 cents. And most people are calling it natural Ozempic because it is simple, it is cheap, and it is affordable. But most people are using it the wrong way, and that's why they don't see results. I'm Okochine Harriet, and here we talk about practical health tips that support wellness naturally. And the viral supplement we are talking about is called psyllium husk. It's a soluble fiber made from the seed of Plantago ovata plant. Most people think that fiber is something you take for constipation, but psyllium work on a much deeper metabolic levels, and that's why it keeps showing up in research. Studies shows that psyllium help reduce blood sugar, lower cholesterol, improve fullness after meal, and when your blood sugar is stable, your craving naturally goes down. People taking psyllium daily saw improvement in waist circumference, fasting glucose, triglycerides, appetite control. This isn't a hype, it's physiology. A lot of people think that it is just for constipation. That's outdated. Yes, it helps for digestion, but that's small part of what it does. Others think that taking it more is better. That's wrong. Too much of it causes bloating and discomfort. The FDA has actually approved the health claim for psyllium husk, acknowledging its role in reducing the risk of heart disease when used as part of a healthy diet. That means this isn't hype. This is real physiology backed by decades of research. Here is what happens inside your body when you mix psyllium husk in water and drink it. It forms a thick gel in your stomach. It absorbs water fast and expands into a viscous gel substances. This gel fills space in your stomach, creating a physical sensation of fullness. It slows gastric emptying. This refers to how quickly your body moves food from stomach into small intestines, and your body have time to process nutrients, and your fullness signal lasts longer. This means you feel satisfied for a longer period. The third one is it slows glucose absorption. This is one of the most powerful effects. When you eat carbohydrate, your body breaks it down into glucose and it enters into your bloodstream. This happens quickly, causing a blood sugar spike. But when psyllium is present, the gel it forms acts like a physical barrier that slows how fast glucose is absorbed in the blood. The fourth one is it signals fullness hormone. As psyllium moves through your digestive tract, it stimulates the release of hormones like GLP-1, PYY, and CCK hormones that signals your brain to stop eating. These are the exact hormones that appetite suppressing medication try to influence. But psyllium stimulates it naturally. The fifth one is it feeds your microbiome. Psyllium acts like a probiotics, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This is so beneficial and it extends well beyond just digestion. This is how it works like Ozempic. Psyllium doesn't directly inject GLP-1 into your system like a drug, but the mechanical effect of the gel found in your gut slows gastric emptying and blunting blood sugar spike, stimulating satiety hormones, create a functionally similar environment in your digestive system. If people are looking for a safe, affordable, natural habit that supports appetite control and blood sugar balance, psyllium is one of the most research backed options available. Here is how it cuts craving. Craving doesn't come from nowhere. They are often caused by blood sugar crashes, fast digestion, not feeling full. Psyllium helps slow all of that down. So instead of forcing yourself to eat less, your body naturally wants less food. And when calorie intake decreases without forcing it, fat loss follows. How belly fat specifically responds. Belly fat, especially visceral fat, is highly sensitive to insulin level. Psyllium's ability to blunt blood sugar level and insulin sensitivity directly creates a more favorable environment for belly fat loss. Combined with healthy eating and movement, this is a powerful combination. How to use psyllium. This is where most people get it wrong. Mix 1 teaspoon in a full glass of water. Drink it quickly before it thickens. Take it before meals. Then follow it up with another glass of water. Consistency matters more than anything. If you don't drink enough water, psyllium can make you uncomfortable. And if you take it too much, too fast, you will want to quit. Start small. Let your body adjust. Some people may ask, what if I'm fasting? Timing matters. Taking it right before your eating windows can help control how much you eat, but don't overcomplicate it. The key is consistency over perfection. So yes, 50 cent Ozempic alternative is real, but not the way people online are making it sound. It's not magic, it's not instant, but when used in the right way, it becomes one of the simplest habits for controlling craving and supporting fat loss. And that's the part most people miss. If you really want to stop your craving for sugar, I also did a video on better than Ozempic. I will link it up here and in the description below. Do well to click on it. Subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget, I'm Okochinenye Harriet. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.